Cake bagging is a cost-efficient alternative to cartridge and meter mix dispensing. This simple technique allows Plexus users to benefit from the cost savings associated with purchasing adhesive in bulk, eliminates the need for dispensing equipment, and maintains the portability and convenience associated with cartridge dispensing. For this simple process, all that's needed is a roll of 6mm tubular polyethylene sheet, duct tape, a scale, polyethylene or wax-coated measuring containers, a utility knife or shears, an air drill, a mixing wand, and of course the adhesive. Begin with a rectangular piece of tubular polyethylene sheet. The dimensions will depend on the amount of adhesive you want to dispense. Here, we're starting with a 12 by 36-inch rectangle. This will make 2 bags, each large enough to dispense about 1.5 gallons of mixed adhesive. Next, split the rectangle into 2 parts by cutting diagonally between the 2 opposite corners. With the duct tape, seal the cut ends together. Open the bag and apply tape to the inside of the seam. For added protection against leaks, you could also apply tape to the other seam. Now that the bag is ready to be filled, it's time to prepare the adhesive. Weigh out the required amount of adhesive into the container. Then add the proper amount of activator. Remember, even though the unique chemistry of Plexus adhesives can tolerate up to 20% off-ratio mixing, you should always shoot for the ideal mix ratio from your Plexus technical data sheet or technical service representative. With an air drill and mixing wand similar to the one shown here, begin mixing the 2 components. Be sure to avoid mixing in excessive air. Next, depending on the viscosity of the Plexus product you're using, pour or scoop the mixed adhesive into the bag. You can support the top of the bag in a large bucket, a long section of pipe, or as shown here through a hole cut into a tabletop. Close the bag by twisting the open end and securing with tape. Finally, cut the tip of the bag to give the desired bead diameter. Now you're ready to bond your components. To dispense, simply continue to twist the top of the bag while gently pushing into the adhesive. With a little practice, you will be able to produce a consistent pressure on the material. And, with the non-sag thixotropic properties of Plexus adhesives, you can efficiently place the bead in any position, even on vertical and overhead surfaces. With the beads in place, the parts can be mated.